today I've decided that I'm gonna become Musical.ly. Oh no, what? Oh, failed. Are you kidding me? TikTok. Oh my gosh, my eyelashes nearly fell off. Okay, let's do that again. Hey everyone! So today I've decided to become TikTok famous in 1 week. So yeah, this is basically what I'm going to do. I'm not starting from scratch because my Musical.ly already only has like 74 followers. So I don't think it's really going to make that much of a difference anyways. So yeah, I'm going to be making as many Musical.lys this week as possible, as well as adding lots of hashtags to my description of the music. Oh, TikToks, why do you call them Musical.lys? I'm going to be adding as many just like tags as possible, and that's pretty much it. So let's just get making some TikToks. Woo! I love making cringy videos. Okay, so I have created my first Musical.ly for this week. Here it is. Not too bad, but not great either. So wait, should I put a filter on it? Filter? No, that's crap. Post to the public. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I'm so nervous.
good. I feel good. See me smiling, 'cause I feel
Okay, so it's now Monday, and so I started this on Saturday. So I've been making TikToks now for 2 days, which is Saturday, Sunday, and I haven't made any. Well, actually, I made one today, but I haven't made a bunch of today's yet. So I'm going to see how many followers I've gained since the start of Saturday. So I currently have 83 followers, which is 10 more than I did on Saturday. So if I'm gaining about 5 a day, then in 7 days I'll have 35 more, which will be over 100. So we should at least expect 105 at this rate I'm going now, by next Saturday. Got 144 hearts. I've got 78 videos, and enjoy this compilation. Okay, so it's now the end of the week and altogether I managed to I didn't gain that many, but now I have 90 followers, which is pretty good considering I don't know majority of them. I only know 2 of them, I think. Yeah, I put a bunch of tags on every single one, and I even did like, if you comment and follow me, I'll follow you back and stuff like that. Also did all the For You page tags, and I managed to gain around 20 followers in a week. That's not that good, is it? 2 of the days I didn't even upload new TikToks, so I think I might have gotten to 100 if I uploaded another 2 times, because I was gaining around 5 a day. My name's a bit whack, so sorry. I don't really know what the point of this video is, but I failed. This is my TikTok handle if you'd like to go follow it now, because I think I liked making them even though they are cringy, but you know what, I'm cringy, so who cares? They're fun to make and fun to watch, and I'm going to continue making them. I'll see you guys on Sunday, because this is the Wednesday video. Bye!